Aloha friends, I hope you're all doing really well. Right now I'm just outside our little tiny house that we made / office space, and I just did a little rearranging and I want to show you guys just the inside of the first part. This isn't completed. This house is made of 99% reclaimed materials and stuff that has been gifted from neighbors that had lying around their properties. We've never built anything before, but this is our first we've ever made. So this is just a good little chill spot. You can sit and do edits. And then I have to go through all these clothes. But yeah, here. It's just a really tiny spot. And we have a mattress that if we are really tired, we can lay out right here. But yeah, I'm going to put a little, take this out because Biddy's too small for it, and put a little toy thing out this way. Out this door. So this is all made of pallets, see? Pallets, tarp, plastic. And then we bought these things and the screws. And all the wood and everything was, this was in just someone's yard, you know? Yeah, we got tarps and pallets that made this house. Yeah, and this is the door over this way. There's more reclaimed materials that we're going to be using. We've just been collecting. This is like a little deck area. This is next project is to clear this. And we're collecting a whole bunch of stuff to start our earthship. Yeah, when we bought this property, I was super big pregnant and grumpy. I didn't want to hike up the mountain every single time I needed to go home. So Andrew built this little temporary structure right here so I would have a place to get out of the elements. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And we're going to get going. I hope you all are good. Have a good day. Bye.